Good morning, everyone.
Good
morning.
So, did you know there are more than 70% of Korea's land made up of mountain?
No.
What do you know? So, if you were to picture the landscape of a country where more than 70% of land made of mountain, what would it look like? I will show you. Okay. Oh. Okay. This is the South Korea the geography map. As you can see, this is old mountain. So considering that this country is so mountainous, so how can it be possible for people to build cities there? So as a part of today's topic, I'm going to talk about the Korean geography and how to influence the culture. Specifically, I'd like to talk about my hometown, Daejeon. So first geographical feature that I'd like to say is mountains. Historically, the mountain range made trading and traveling difficult in Korea. Therefore, the government decided to build the railroad and other type of transportation to ease the burden. Let me give you some example. In the 1501, the Gyeongbu Line, one of the major Korean railroad, was built. And the Honam lines in 1912 was built. And also, this yellow line is highways. So these highways were built in 1970. This is my hometown, Daejeon. Daejeon located in center of Korea. So many the geographical benefits followed. Consequently, both railroad and highways have been built through Daejeon, like this. So it can be go the southeast-west and southwest-east and then north way as well. And it led to great influence on Daejeon's development as the transportation hub. And there is another geographical feature that influenced on Daejeon is the agriculture. The origin of the name Daejeon means the large field. So agriculture is active in our area. So one of the characteristics of Daejeon's agriculture is urban agriculture. So what is urban agriculture? Agriculture defines the production, distribution, and marketing of food and other products within the geographical limit of the metropolitan area. This is the urban agriculture. Since Daejeon has flat land surrounded by mountain, it leads to farming being done in limited space. For example, the vegetables were grown in the house made of the plastic vinyl in 1920. Okay, so let's move on to the next point. The second geographical feature that I'd like to say is rivers. There are 3 rivers in Daejeon, and all the rivers eventually flow into Gum River. Like this. And Daejeon, like other countries, has developed a residential area near rivers, where drinking water and agricultural water can be obtained. And everyone knows the place where many people live because the many development of facility. I will give you some illustration. The first river I'd like to say is Gapcheon Stream. This is the Gapcheon Stream. Because of this river, the cultural facilities were built. For example, like the Hambat Arboretum, and there's a cultural artplex, and Expo Science Park, and government complex as well. And second river is Yudungcheon. The Puri Park and one of the very famous theme park is Daejeon Old World, and the culture villages were built nearby Yudungcheon. And the last river I'd like to say is Daejeoncheon. This line is Daejeoncheon. Unlike Gapcheon and Yudungcheon stream, the Daejeoncheon is only river that originated from Daejeon. So, as you can see, the many cultural street is located here, and also Daejeon Station and the Seojeon Station located in this area. In conclusion, I knew about the Korean geography already because I learned from my high school class, but I didn't know about the agriculture part, especially the background. I thought Daejeon was a city of the high-tech industry, but I was surprised to learn that agriculture also a specialized field. As a result, I realized now that geography affects many aspects of our lives, and it was a pleasure to learn more about my hometown, Daejeon.